Sakrete facet cement patcher is the ideal product for the rapid repair of irregular cracks in a concrete slab. Using a hammer and chisel, chip away at the edge of the crack to ensure that all loose material is removed. It may be necessary to widen the crack in some places. Once the material is removed from the crack, use a brush to remove as much of the loose debris as you can. Complete the process of removing excess debris from the crack either by using a pressure washer or a garden hose with a strong nozzle. Be sure to remove excess water from the crack before applying the facet cement patcher. Following the recommended water instructions on the pail, add the water to the pail first. Once the water is in the pail, then add the dry powder to the water. This will ensure that all the material at the bottom of the pail is evenly mixed. Using a trowel, thoroughly mix the material until all lumps have disappeared. Using the trowel, place the patcher in the cracks. On thin sections of the crack, it may be necessary to turn the trowel sideways to ensure the void is filled. Using the trowel, continue to fill the cracks, applying pressure to completely fill the void. Use a wet paintbrush to smooth the patch and blend it to the existing concrete. Use the trowel to put a neat edge on the repair. It may be necessary to use the wet paintbrush again to finish blending the material and complete the crack repair.